Hey guys, when solving a math question at the last step, you might have come across something as negative x equal 2. And now the question comes to what happens next? Wishing that the negative sign will disappear on its own is not going to happen. So here is a little inside information on why when a negative x is equal to 2 changes to an x equals negative 2. Let's see how it is possible and the reasoning behind why. Look at a segment of this number line starting with a 0. On the right side is a 2 and the left side is a negative 2. As you can see, the distance from 0 to 2 is the same as the distance from 0 to negative 2. They are equidistant from 0. So 2 plus negative 2 is nothing but 0. The same applies to negative 2 plus 2, which also equals 0. Negative 5 plus 5 is a 0. Let's extend the same to negative x plus x using variable, which also equals 0. So these are the ones we call them as zero pairs. We are going to use the idea of zero pair to establish the idea of if negative x is equal to a 2, how in the world can x become a negative 2? So let's start with what we know. We know that negative x plus x equals 0 because of the zero pair property. We also know that negative x is equal to 2, which is the blue. We also know it should equal 0. So the question is, what should x be equal to? If you remember the zero pair, the only way that this equation could become a 0 is if x takes on the value of negative 2. So now you see when negative x is equal to 2, x should be equal to negative 2. This is the reason if negative x is equal to 2, then simply switch the negative signs and make them as x equals negative 2. Click the subscribe button to bookmark this video so you can watch it again. Thank you.